everyone, welcome! Today we are going to be working on a feather boa DIY wreath, and I'm hoping to use this on my center island in my kitchen. So if you're interested in seeing something like that, stay tuned. We are also going to be having a lot more videos coming your way in the next few weeks, just letting you know about that. Doing another tree decorating video in my living room, and we're going to be finishing off the kitchen. Probably that'll be the next video. So stay tuned. We have a lot more videos coming your way, and I thank you for joining me today, and we're going to get started.
So I'm just going to start out today by showing you what I purchased in order to do this wreath. Obviously started with the white feather boas from Amazon, and then a lot of the other things that you're seeing here I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and a few were from the Dollar Tree. And I decided to go with pastels and a little color with some blues and a little bit of sparkle. I wanted this, my vision for this was, I don't know, more of like a wintry wonderland kind of dreamy look to it. I've been wanting to make this for quite a while, so I decided just to go ahead and do that this year for Christmas. And I wanted to put it on my center island, but when it got finished I ended up thinking, my goodness, this would look good even in my living room, but I don't know, we'll see where it ends up. I'm not sure exactly yet. So you're going to see me tucking the picks in gradually one by one and adding in some of the berries and the colors. I love these pastel colored berries. They had these at Hobby Lobby, and I really like these. I thought they'd be perfect for this project I'm doing today. I love sparkle, so anything I find that has a little bit of sparkle in it, I'm all over it. I love it. I don't know, there's a lot of people that don't like the sparkle because of the messiness of the glitter and everything like that, but I love some sparkle. I ended up using the wreath underneath this feather boas. I took 3 feather boas all together to make this project, and I ended up using a greenery wreath underneath. I just found this greenery wreath at Walmart, and it was cheap, so I decided to buy that as my base, and I just wrapped the white feather boas over top. And I figured you weren't going to see the greenery anyway much, so I decided I wanted a very fluffy look to this, so that's why I did what I did. So you will see some green pieces underneath once in a while peeking out, but in the end I end up having it so you don't see it at all really. You're going to see me just tucking more pieces in, just kind of looking around to see where I need to add in each piece. I love doing these little projects, these little DIY, because I think you get so much more joy out of it knowing you made it yourself. And every time I walk by something that I've made, I'm always more appreciative of it, I guess, because I made it, if that makes sense. And I just love doing all these little projects and little things around the house. It's always been fun for me to create. I've always been a person that loves to create. And I guess that's why I'm doing YouTube, because I love to create. And I just find joy in it. I just think this turns out to be so pretty in the end. You guys will have to stay tuned to the end and see how it turns out, but I just love it. It turns out beautiful. So we're done the wreath, and I'm just going to go ahead and place a cereal bowl that I'm using for the middle, because you're going to see me bring in this decorative bowl right now and all these pretty sparkly Christmas balls I put in the middle. They're real glass, and I decided to use these because of the sparkle factor. I'm adding in a few little crystal snowflakes to give it more glistening sparkle look at the top. And this is the final result. and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy with this. It turned out actually way prettier than I ever expected, and it's so funny how you can have something, a vision in your head, and create it and not have to spend a lot of money doing that. This is probably a piece I'll enjoy for actually years to come.